Hello to all students. Today we are starting again biology chapter 36 chromosomal disorder. Once again, today we are starting again biology chapter 36 chromosomal disorder. Students, yesterday we studied some chromosomal disorder like Down syndrome and to studied introduction of chromosome, and today we discuss some another chromosomal disorder like Edward syndrome, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, and symptoms of Down syndrome. So first of all, symptoms of Down syndrome is symptoms of Down syndrome infected child. Once again, symptoms of Down syndrome infected child. First is less develop mental ability. First is less develop mental ability. Second is lower lip blending below. Next symptoms is flat hand. It means dorsally and ventrally hands are flat. Next, broad cranium of child, and next is short neck. Once again, Down syndrome, students remember, it is a autosomal disorder. When 21 chromosomes are found a triploid form. Once again, Down syndrome is a autosomal disorder when 21 chromosome found in triple forms. Mostly each chromosome to have two found paired form, but in this syndrome 21 chromosome is found triple form. It means triplet forms. So symptoms of Down syndrome infected child is less developmental ability. It means IQ level low. Next, lower lips blending below. Next, flat hand. Next, broad cranium of child, and next, short neck. Next autosomal disorder is Edward syndrome. Students remember, syndrome it means cluster of disease. Once again, syndrome it means cluster of disease. First, this abnormality is due to the presents one additional chromosome in 18 pair. Once again, this abnormality is due to presence one additional chromosome in 18 pair. Students, in normal human, number of chromosome is 46. It means 23 pair. Second, Edward infected human is 2n plus 1 equal to 47. When one chromosome excess, it is called trisomy. When two chromosome excess is called tetrasomy. Once again, when one chromosome excess in normal chromosome is called trisomy. When two chromosome are excess in normal condition, it is called tetrasomy. So one chromosome is excess, it is called trisomy. Trisomy 18. So second disorder is, second syndrome is Edward syndrome. In this syndrome, one additional chromosome in 18 pair. Next, third, structural structure abnormality in autosome. Students, remember, Edward syndrome, Down syndrome, they are numerical abnormality. Once again, Down syndrome and Edward syndrome are numerical abnormality, but some structural abnormality in autosomes, like it means chromosome shape. In chromosomes, some part are add, some part are delete. Like first is Cry-do-chat or Cry-do-cat. Once again, Cry-do-chat or Cry-do-cat. Comparing with 45 chromosome, it means human have 46, but compare to 45 chromosome, due to deletion, it means remove. Deletion, it means remove of smaller arm of chromosome pair number 5. So it is called Cry-do-chat or Cry-do-chat. Once again, when comparing with 45 chromosome due to deletion, it means remove of smaller arm, smaller fragment, smaller segment of chromosome pair number 5. So this syndrome is called Cry-do-chat, Cry-do-cat. Next disorder is सेक्स क्रोमोसोम abnormality, सेक्स क्रोमोसोम abnormality. First is Turner syndrome. Once again, first is Turner syndrome. This syndrome, it means cluster of disease. This syndrome always found in women, it means in female. Once again, this syndrome always found in women. Next, this woman is having only one X chromosome. Once again, this woman is having one chromosome or only one chromosome. Students, remember, a normal woman, normal female humans to have two X chromosome, but Turner syndrome infected woman to have single X chromosome. Next condition is normal woman is 2n equal to 46. It means 44 plus x 45 46. But Turner syndrome infected woman is 44 plus x 0. It means 44 45. So 2n minus 1 equal to 45. When one chromosome less in normal condition, it is called monosomy. Once again, students, remember, when one chromosome excess in normal condition, it is called trisomy. When two chromosome excess in normal condition, tetrasomy. When one chromosome less in normal condition is monosomy. So this condition is called monosomy X. Students, remember, monosomy when one chromosome less in normal chromosome condition is called monosomy. Next, symptoms of Turner syndrome infected females is, first is wave-like skin on the neck part. Once again, wave-like skin on the neck, or reticulate-like skin on the neck. Second, incompletely developed breast. Once again, incomplete developed mammary glands. Third is stupid. Next sex chromosome disorder is Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome. Students, remember, first it is a sex chromosome abnormality. Second is only males have this disease or disorder. Next, they are once again there may be 47, 48 or 49 chromosome rather than 46. Next is in Klinefelter syndrome. In Klinefelter males, chromosomes may be following type. Once again, in Klinefelter males, chromosome may be following types. First is 44 plus XXY. Students, remember, in male human, chromosome is 44 plus XY. So 1 2, but normal human only one X chromosome. So one additional X chromosome. Once again, one additional X chromosome. So 2n plus 1 equal to 47. This is first condition, first type, Klinefelter males. Second is 44 plus XXXY. Students, remember, male humans only one X chromosome, one Y chromosome, but in this type, in this Klinefelter humans, 1 2 3 X chromosome. So 2 additional X chromosome. It means 2n plus 2 equal to 48. Third is 44 plus 1 2 3 and Y. 1 2 3 4. It means normal human only one X chromosome, but this type Klinefelter male to have 3 additional 3 additional X chromosome. So 2n plus 3 equal to 49. So 49 chromosome in this type Klinefelter males. Next is 44 plus X Y Y. Once again 44 plus X Y Y. Students remember, male human only, normal male human is only X only Y, but in this Klinefelter males have 2X 2Y. So 1X 1 Y chromosome are additional. It means 2 chromosome are additional. So 2n plus 2 equal to 48. And the last situation is 44 plus 1 2 3 Y Y. It means 2 additional X and 1 additional Y chromosome. Once again students, last situation is related to Klinefelter males. 1 2 3 male humans only 1, so 2 additional X and 1 Y additional. So 3 additional 2n plus 3 equal to 49. So number of chromosome in this type Klinefelter males. Next, symptoms of Klinefelter infected male. First is sterile. Second is female like developed breast in male, so it is called gynecomastia. Students remember, it means woman, it means breast. Third is tall. Next is IQ level low, stupid male. And last is hand and legs are lengthy. Once again, symptoms of Klinefelter syndrome is sterile, female like developed breast, it is called gynecomastia. Third, tall, it means Klinefelter male humans, mostly Klinefelter infected male humans is tall. Next, stupid male, and last, hand and legs are lengthy. So thanks, have a nice